Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share the preparation and benefits of Tulsi tea. Tulsi is one of the most important immune boosting plant commonly available all over India, so it is very useful during this lockdown period. Tulasi is considered as sacred in India and is worshipped as seat of goddess Lakshmi, so it is called as holy basil or sacred basil. In Latin, it is called as Ocimum sanctum. According to Ayurveda, it pacifies Vata and Kapha dosha. There are two varieties of Tulasi. One is Rama Tulasi and another one is Krishna Tulasi. Along with immune boosting property, it has anti-inflammatory property and acts as analgesic. Tulsi has anti-tubercular property. It has a very good action on respiratory system to pacify cold, cough and even asthma. With the anti-helminthic property, it destroys worms and other intestinal parasites. It also has diuretic property. Essential oils in Tulasi has antipyretic, antibacterial and antifungal property. The plant as a whole contains plant mercury that helps to relieve stress and anxiety, and it improves mood. So, regular consumption of Tulsi tea supports normal bronchial and lung function. It also supports adrenal function and cortisol levels. It relieves stress and anxiety, improves digestive health, rich with antioxidants. It improves liver function and immune system and normalizes blood sugar level. Let us see how to prepare Tulsi tea. In a saucepan, take 1 cup of water and heat it. For this, add 8 to 10 Tulsi leaves and bring it to boil. Boil it for 5 minutes. Now switch off the flame and cover the lid. Allow it to infuse for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, filter it. You can consume this tea early morning empty stomach for better results. But if you are suffering from anxiety, stress or sleeplessness, then you can consume it at bedtime. Friends, spend your lockdown period in good hobbies and stay safe and healthy. Thank you for watching.